Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sam and I'm a licensed real estate agent, investor, and entrepreneur in the North Dallas area. And in today's video, we're going to go on a tour of a house in McKinney, Texas. I'm really excited to show you guys this house. This house is actually not listed for sale. It is a model house in a community that is currently under construction in McKinney, Texas. I like this community because of its location. This community is located only minutes away from shopping centers, historic downtown. There is Allen Outlets, which is only like 10 minutes away from the house. There are major retailers around the house like Home Depot, Best Buy, Walmart, I mean, you name it, they're here. Another reason to like this community is that the homes that are under construction in this area are 100% customizable. So as we're going through this house tour, if you don't like something in the layout, if you don't like a certain finish, whatever you don't like, you can customize to your liking. So you can move different walls around, you can choose different floors. The builder allows you to co-design this house with them, which I think is great, especially for the price point. Speaking of the price point, the homes in this community start in the high 800s and go all the way up to $1.5 million. So if you want a house in this area, that's going to be the price range in this particular community. Before we go on this tour, if you haven't already, give this video a like and subscribe to this channel, as I plan on posting more videos in the future similar to this one. If you like real estate content, you like seeing home tours like I do, then definitely subscribe to this channel because I'm planning on making more videos like this. So without any further ado, let's go on this house tour. So the style of house we're going to be looking at today is actually named the Downton Abbey, which I think is a cool name, which reminds me of the show that I used to be obsessed with a few years ago. The model that we're looking at today is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house that is approximately 4,099 square feet. And as soon as you walk in, you're greeted by this beautiful double staircase, which I think is absolutely stunning. To the right is the former living room and dining room, and I like how they decorated this model. I think it really shows the potential of what you could do with this space. Through here is a family room and kitchen and a full-size wet bar. I think the intention behind this design is that it's supposed to really be a space for entertaining. I like this massive counter in here, and I also like the layout of this space. It's great because if you're cooking in the kitchen, you don't have to miss out on what's going on in the living room. You can definitely see what's going on TV. This layout is definitely perfect for like a Super Bowl party or just having your friends over. I think it's great. I also love how high these ceilings are. The beams on the vaulted ceilings are a great touch, along with the asymmetrical floor-to-ceiling windows. I think they let a lot of light in, and it really gives you that indoor-outdoor experience that we all love. Right off the living room is the primary bedroom, and I think that this is a great size. It can fit a California king-size bed in here, and I like the coffer ceilings. I think they add a lot of visual interest to the space. And through the double doors, you come into the stunning primary bathroom. Let's take a second to appreciate the tile work in here. You can definitely tell that there was a lot of attention to detail in here, and I like the quality of the work as I'm walking through here. The layout of this bathroom is a great use of space. The double shower behind the tub is an awesome idea, and I like that the sinks are separate, so each person has their own area in the morning. Through the bathroom is the primary closet, which is a great size. It actually has an island in the middle with lots of storage. But my favorite thing about this closet is that it's connected to the laundry room, so you never have to leave your room to wash your laundry. And this laundry room also has another exterior door that connects to the rest of the house, so you have double access to the laundry room. You have access from the living room and from your primary closet, which I think is great and very convenient. To the left of the entry is this little nook that is staged like an office, but I think that this space can be used for really anything. You can put a baby grand here, you can put a Christmas tree here in the winter. I can definitely see a lot of different uses for this space. And this is also where another full-size bathroom is located on the first floor. Heading upstairs, space here feels very open. There are a lot of great sight lines throughout this home, which means that you have the ability to look at every corner of this house from up here. So if you have kids playing downstairs and you're up here cleaning or something, then you can definitely keep an eye on them. The game room is up here along with another family room that can be set up as a movie theater if you'd like. That's probably what I would do with this space. I would just close off this wall and make this a little movie area. It's definitely a space that I can see people playing video games and really just relaxing up here. Right off that area is another office/study space. They have it staged as a mini library. I think that you have enough space here to set up a little desk and chair for homework, and it's great because this area is connected to the first bedroom. All the bedrooms in this house are very spacious and have nice sized closets. As you can see, we have the 3 other bedrooms up here, and there's also a full-size bathroom up here. So like I said at the beginning of this video, the home that we just toured is actually not for sale. This is a model model house that is intended to show you what you could build in this community. If you wanted this exact model, I asked the sales team and they said that the price for this exact model would be $958,000. And of course, that price is subject to change. I have to say that custom options are not included in the base price. And if you want more information about this community, if you're interested in purchasing a house here, or if you have follow-up questions about this house, then definitely send me an email and I'll be happy to help you with that process. If you're looking to buy or sell or list a house in North Texas, send me an email and I'll be happy to help you with that process as well. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this house. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload. Alright, bye-bye.